Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. It depends on your country. Let's start with this, but yeah, hit the like button. I'll show you what you can do. But for some countries still not available, I will also try a workaround together. So you want to go on Instagram, and from there, you want to use some random chat. So use a chat with a bot or with someone that didn't chat. Okay, for a long time, wait like this, and you want to click on messages. You want to click on the numbers at, and here you want to type in Meta AI, and if nothing pops up, it means it's not available for your country. So what you can do is actually try to use a VPN. I will use the United States, whatever country, and now I'll go ahead and close Instagram. I'll open it up again, and we'll see if this will change. This is some new Instagram, but yeah, so when I click here, click on the add button, Meta AI, still not possible. So it really depends on your country, and VPN will not help us with that. So if you still have any questions, and you probably should have it if you live in one of the countries that already has it, if it's the same way it was with Instagram Music in other countries. So if you still not doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment section down below, especially if you live in the United States, and I'll see what I can do to help you. Also, like the video, subscribe if you're new. See you next one. Bye.